Alright, so I got a couple packages in from eBay hours ago, but I went out. Got two badass packages here, one from New Zealand and another one right here, so let's pre-open them. Alright, so from New Zealand, ROH, the 100th show. My first milestone DVD, which is cool. Took a while to get here, obviously, because of where it's from. But yeah, cool shit. That one will always be special to me. And this one right here, Lance Storm Straight Shooting Series. Boom. And the Fantastics. $12, $5. So it's mostly most I've spent on one shoot from ROH so far. So a nice little unboxing.